Hello and welcome to CGK, Curiosities about General Knowledge. In this video, we're going to explore some fascinating facts about supernovae, the most powerful and awe-inspiring events in the universe. So, if you're curious about these celestial explosions, then stay tuned. Curiosity 1. What is a supernova? Supernovae are the most powerful and energetic events in the universe. They occur when a star exhausts all of its nuclear fuel and can no longer sustain the fusion reactions that keep it from collapsing under its own gravity. This can happen in two ways, depending on the size of the star. In the case of low to medium mass stars, up to about 8 times the mass of our Sun, the core will collapse and form a compact object known as a white dwarf. As the star sheds its outer layers, it may undergo a runaway nuclear reaction that releases a tremendous amount of energy and blows the star apart. This is known as a Type 1 supernova. For more massive stars, the core collapse is much more violent and leads to the formation of a neutron star or black hole. As the core collapses, it generates a shockwave that blows off the outer layers of the star. This explosion is also incredibly powerful and can outshine an entire galaxy for a short period of time. This is known as a Type 2 supernova. Supernovae are classified based on their spectral properties and light curves, and they have been observed in many galaxies throughout the universe. In fact, they are so bright that they can often be seen with the naked eye, and they have been recorded by astronomers for thousands of years. Overall, supernovae are one of the most fascinating and important phenomena in the universe, and they continue to be a subject of intense study and investigation by astronomers and astrophysicists around the world. Curiosity 2. How often do supernovae occur? Supernovae are relatively rare events, and they do not occur very often in our own Milky Way galaxy. On average, a supernova will occur in our galaxy once every few decades, although the exact rate is difficult to determine due to the large amount of obscuring dust in the galactic plane. However, supernovae are much more common in other galaxies, where they can occur several times per year. In fact, the most well-studied supernova in history, SN 1987A, occurred in the Large Magellanic Cloud, a nearby dwarf galaxy located about 168,000 light-years from Earth. Scientists estimate that there are between 1 and 3 supernovae per century in a galaxy like ours, which contains several hundred billion stars. While this may seem like a small number, it is important to remember that supernovae play a critical role in shaping the chemical and physical properties of galaxies, and they have had a profound impact on the evolution of the universe as a whole. In recent years, astronomers have been using sophisticated telescopes and observational techniques to search for supernovae in distant galaxies, with the goal of better understanding the physics and evolution of these cosmic explosions. With new advances in technology and data analysis, we can expect to learn even more about supernovae and their role in the cosmos in the years to come. Curiosity 3. What types of supernovae are there? There are two main types of supernovae, Type 1 and Type 2. These classifications are based on the presence or absence of certain spectral lines in the light emitted by the exploding star. Type 1 supernovae are further subdivided into two categories, Type Ia and Type Ib/C. Type Ia supernovae occur in binary star systems where a white dwarf star accretes material from a companion star until it reaches a critical mass and undergoes a runaway nuclear reaction, causing it to explode. Type Ib/C supernovae occur when a massive star loses its outer envelope of hydrogen and helium, leaving behind a core made mostly of helium and carbon, oxygen. This core can then collapse and explode as a Type Ib/C supernova. Type 2 supernovae occur when massive stars exhaust their nuclear fuel and can no longer sustain the fusion reactions that support them against the force of gravity. The core of the star then collapses and generates a shockwave that blows off the outer layers of the star, causing it to explode. Type 2 supernovae can be further subdivided into two categories, Type 2P and Type 2L. Type 2P supernovae have a plateau in their light curve, indicating the presence of hydrogen in their outer layers, while Type 2L supernovae lack this plateau and are thought to have lost their outer hydrogen layers before the explosion. In addition to these main categories, there are also several subtypes of supernovae that have been identified based on their spectral properties and light curves. For example, some supernovae exhibit unusual chemical signatures or are associated with gamma-ray bursts, which are intense flashes of gamma-ray radiation that can last for only a few seconds but are among the most energetic events in the universe. Overall, the study of supernovae is a complex and ongoing field of research, and scientists continue to discover new types and subtypes of these cosmic explosions as they explore the vast reaches of the universe. Curiosity 4. What is the importance of supernovae? Supernovae are important astronomical events that play a critical role in the evolution of galaxies and the universe as a whole. Here are a few reasons why. Production of heavy elements. Supernovae are the primary source of heavy elements in the universe, including elements like carbon, oxygen, iron, and gold. These elements are created during the explosive death of massive stars and are then dispersed into the surrounding interstellar medium, where they can be incorporated into new generations of stars and planets. Energy input. Supernovae release an enormous amount of energy in the form of light, heat, and kinetic energy. This energy input can have a significant impact on the surrounding interstellar medium, creating shock waves and triggering the formation of new stars. Cosmic distance indicators. Type Ia supernovae, in particular, have been used as cosmic distance indicators to measure the expansion rate of the universe. By studying the brightness and spectral properties of these supernovae, astronomers can determine their distance from Earth and use this information to probe the large-scale structure of the universe. Laboratory for studying extreme physics. Supernovae also provide a unique laboratory for studying extreme physics under conditions that cannot be replicated on Earth. For example, the high temperatures and densities generated during a supernova explosion can produce exotic particles and states of matter, allowing scientists to study the behavior of matter under extreme conditions. Overall, the study of supernovae is a critical part of modern astrophysics, and ongoing research in this field is helping us to better understand the origins and evolution of the universe. Curiosity 5. Can supernovae be dangerous to Earth? Supernovae are incredibly powerful astronomical events, but their impact on Earth is generally limited due to the vast distances involved. However, there are a few ways in which a nearby supernova could potentially be dangerous to our planet. Gamma-ray bursts. Some supernovae are associated with gamma-ray bursts, GRBs, which are intense blasts of gamma-ray radiation that can last for only a few seconds but are among the most energetic events in the universe. If a GRB were to occur within our own Milky Way galaxy and were pointed directly at Earth, it could potentially cause significant damage to our planet's atmosphere and biosphere. Cosmic rays. Supernovae can also generate high-energy particles known as cosmic rays, which can pose a danger to astronauts and electronics in space. However, the Earth's atmosphere provides a significant amount of protection against cosmic rays, so the risk of harm to humans on the surface is relatively low. Disruption of the solar system. In extremely rare cases, a nearby supernova could potentially disrupt the orbits of planets in our solar system or even trigger mass extinctions on Earth. However, the chances of this happening are thought to be very small, and there is currently no evidence that any supernova has ever had a significant impact on life on our planet. Overall, while supernovae are incredibly powerful and fascinating astronomical events, they are generally not considered to be a significant threat to life on Earth. However, ongoing research in this field is helping us to better understand the potential risks and hazards associated with these cosmic explosions. That concludes our list of 5 fascinating facts about supernovae. We hope you enjoyed learning about these incredible cosmic events. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thank you for watching.